February, ACE traditionally holds a Spirit Week along with an assembly leading up to the winter dance. Student Activities Director Jennifer Martinez explains why the week-long festivities have been postponed.
So one of the primary reasons for postponing Spirit Week activities is so that we can all gather together safely for an assembly. We believed it would be difficult to put like 3,000 people in the gym and being able to follow like COVID safety guidelines. So we figured, why not try to dream up something that we could imagine that would bring everybody together in a fun and connected way safely in the spring.
Jennifer Martinez goes on to explain what is to happen with the 2022 Winter Dance.
So for the dance, at this present moment, there are not any alternative plans being made. Should students be very interested in having other ideas that they'd like to share with me, I'm always open to hearing them to see if that would fit within like our school calendar. But right now, unfortunately, just like due to the situation that we're all in together, the dance is just being canceled for this year, while the assembly is being postponed so that we could have it outdoors at the stadium on the 22nd.
This past week, ACE sponsor Jonathan Stapleton held a meeting to explain to the students what the new Spirit Week and assembly would look like in the spring.
It's going to be like the third week in April, and the idea is that Spirit Week, as we would normally do, conclude an assembly here in the building. We're to conclude an assembly outside, much like we did with homecoming. Okay, so that is kind of the plan. Now, obviously, when you have an assembly outside, a lot of it is going to be weather dependent. So there is that little outside chance, certainly. Then April, sometimes we can have spring weather, sometimes have winter weather. We just don't know, right? But we're going to plan a Spirit Week regardless. Have a full-blown events all week long. Hopefully, the idea that we'll have the assembly on that Friday, and we'll have an outdoor assembly, like I said, with homecoming. It does open up some new doors, new possibilities. Some of the contests I think we can do outside, and we've done some preliminary work just kind of looking at that and Ms. Martinez in regards to Spirit Weeks.
While DGS's winter spirit activities have been postponed, students and staff are excited to see what will come in the spring. From Downers Grove, this has been Sammy Becerra with the Blueprint News Network.